Tired of fumbling through your wallet every time you need to pay? Let's ditch the plastic and add your CIBC credit card to your CIBC mobile app for ultimate convenience. First, unlock your phone and tap on the CIBC mobile banking app icon to launch the application. Make sure you have the latest version of the app installed for the best experience. Once you're logged in, look for the More icon, typically located in the bottom right corner of your screen. It usually looks like 3 horizontal lines stacked on top of each other. Tap on it. This will open a menu with various options. Scroll through the list until you find Manage Cards. This is where you'll control all the cards associated with your CIBC account. Tap on Manage Cards. On the Manage Cards screen, you should see a list of your existing cards and an option to add a new one. Look for an Add Card button, which might also be represented by a plus sign. Tap on it. Now, you'll be prompted to enter your credit card information. Carefully type in your full credit card number, the expiration date, and the 3-digit CVV code found on the back of your card. Double-check each digit to ensure accuracy. The app will likely show you a summary of the card information you entered, with some digits masked for security. Review the information to make sure everything is correct. If it all looks good, tap the Confirm button. Congratulations! You should now see a confirmation message indicating that your credit card has been successfully added to the CIBC mobile banking app. Now you can enjoy the convenience of mobile payments and easy account management that was easy.